And last but not least, here is the Harborbreeze Rutherford in my parents' room. This ceiling fan is exactly the same to the other videos I've made of it, just a lot older now. One of the lights are burnt out. And of course it has one little replacement. But everything else is exactly the same. The motor housing right here is actually made of plastic and attacked by Spider-Man. Here's the top. It gets used quite a lot. I didn't even notice that light was burnt out too. Put a balancing kit on the top just to balance it out, and that's pretty much it. I don't think I've given the backstory about this fan, but originally this one was going to go in my bedroom simply because it had pretzel brackets and I wanted a fan with pretzel brackets, and I ended up with a cross ones because this hung way too low for my room, and it's been a noisy fan really. Makes all kinds of noises, and I'm only going to run it in reverse because it's very loose and I'm not in the mood to watch this housing twist when it spins in forward, so here it goes on low. It actually does sway on low. Look at that. Here's medium. And here's high. Yeah, it's a really noisy fan. That wobbles, and no matter how tight you get those lights, they always buzz. But I will show you the different. And I'm sick of hearing it, so that is the Harborbreeze Rutherford in my parents' bedroom. Thank you for watching.